The financial capital has been reined in. Rains have been lashing Mumbai for the past 30 hours, and that has thrown normal life out of whack. The city has received 35 millimeters of rain in just 5 hours this morning, leaving several parts of Mumbai waterlogged. The BEST shut down 4 substations in Colaba, disrupting power services. Meanwhile, railway services have also been hit. Both Central and Western Railway, all flights are at the Mumbai airport have been delayed. Schools have been asked to shut down for the day, and residents have been advised to stay indoors. More rainfall has been forecast for the next 24 hours. And Tara, I know I'm trying to pick the silver lining here. One can also have lots of fun, and that's what we Mumbaikars are looking forward to over the weekend. You should perhaps come down. That's if you can catch a flight.
No chance. I don't want to. I'm going to go on my dry road to watch Entourage
with the blazing sun
all year. And I'm going to do Surya Namaskars outside or outdoors on Surya Namaskar, so you can have all your fun in Mumbai.
You know, speaking of
weekend.
I'm telling you, speaking of Surya Namaskar, there was a massive yoga day event planned on Marine Drive where everybody was supposed to do yoga from 6 to 9. It was supposed to be a big thing for the city. I wonder if that's also going to get washed out or not. But I think Farah is right there. She's braving it out for us. So let's find out what's the latest, Farah.
Well, the city has completely come to a standstill today, and even as we speak, services have not resumed normalcy. In fact, given that there has been more than 300 millimeters of rain over the past 24 hours, waterlogging continues to persist in several areas. In fact, I'm standing at Mumbai's Andheri Kurla Road, and as you can see behind me, the situation is very grim. Water completely, it's a completely waterlogged area. Even as BMC's pumps try to dislodge this water and drain it off. Waterlogging continues in several other areas as well, such as Bakola, Sion, Parel, the low-lying areas that are usual suspects and usually get flooded every year when the monsoon strikes. Given that this is a time when most people are returning home from their workplaces, there are traffic snarls being reported at several areas as well. Coming to railway services, all 3 lines, the Western Railway, the Harbour Line and the Central Railway had suspended operations in the morning before resuming some operations. But even as we speak, Western Railway has once again suspended all its services due to waterlogging at Matunga and at Elphinstone. Central Railway is running intermittent services, and Harbour Line services are also being completely suspended. Outstation trains are also running with a delay, and flights continue to be delayed as well. All of this shows how the BMT is ill-prepared to deal with the monsoon this year, despite all claims of being completely monsoon-ready this year. The BMT continues to advise people to stay indoors, as very heavy rain is also expected tomorrow, and we will keep you updated on the situation as we go forward. With that, it's back to you.
Farah, I'm guessing your weekend plans are ruined. I hope you figure out a way to get back home tonight.
Well, Farah, thank you so much for getting us those updates.
I will figure out a way out. Thanks.